Hi, I'm Claudia Fleming. I live and work on the North Fork of Long Island, where direct access to farm produce is readily available. That's not necessarily an option for everybody. So Fresh Express has created 3 premium slaw salad kits, or the first slaw salad kit is an Asian avocado. It combines colorful cabbages and kale topped with honey roasted sesame crisps, wonton strips, and sweet dried corn, all tossed in a unique creamy dressing. The second option is the premium honey pecan slaw kit. This one's topped with blue cheese crumble, candied pecans, and raisins. And this is with a tangy honey mustard dressing. Pairs beautifully with southern fried chicken and biscuits, or as an entree salad with grilled shrimp and pineapple. For the barbecue fan, we have the smoky barbecue sriracha slaw kit. And this has crunchy red pepper crisps, sriracha chow mein noodles, and a creamy dressing with a hint of smoke. This with grilled steak or chicken, pulled pork, or burgers is a slam dunk at all your tailgating parties this fall. All of these salads are chef-inspired, conveniently packaged, and all you need to do is toss and serve, and I guarantee there is an option here to satisfy every taste. We also have this genius collaboration between Fresh Express and Chiquita. They've teamed up to create Chiquita Bites snack packs. They include a variety of cheeses, crackers, pretzels, nuts, and grapes, all the stuff kids love. They are packed with 8 grams of protein and a boost of vitamin C, so you can feel great about giving the kids these snacks anytime. They're also introducing apple sticks. Super simple, all the work has been done for you here. They are peeled, they are sliced in a fun shape, easy for dipping in yogurt or peanut butter and even chocolate. You can go to freshexpress.com for more information, and the Fresh Express slaw salad kits along with the Chiquita Bites snack packs can be found in the produce department of your grocery store.